So that means he's happy to clean. We got 3 modes here, you can tell: spot clean, regular clean, and max. So of course we're gonna go with max, and off he goes. Where does he want to clean first? Who knows? That's okay, he doesn't mind. He's got a little bumper on the front. You can see. I'm going to turn the light up a little bit. You see, he just goes around everything that he can. Oh, he's found something. And that blue light comes on. You know what that means? We found a little patch of something. Look at this guy. Gets right in there. How about that?